What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to grab the hex or RGB color code of any website or anything in Windows 11 without needing to download or install any other software or extensions. So yeah, I'm doing it in Firefox right now. I'm on my YouTube channel, and I'm not going to need to download any extension on Firefox or use any site to grab the color code. You just do this with what you have in Windows. Basically, we're using Paint and the snip tool together. I showed this in another video, but this is more like, any website, anything in Windows. You want to grab the color code, you can do it. It's not just pictures, right? So I'm on my channel here. Let's say I want to grab the color code of this screen here that says 144 Hertz. I want to grab that blue. So I have the snipping tool open here, but I'm going to close it because we're going to want to open it from scratch. So click on the start menu here, and then just start typing snip. And then you're going to have the snipping tool show up right away in Windows 11. In Windows 10, you're going to want to use the snip and sketch, but anyways, we're doing this for Windows 11. So just grab a snip of the screen here, and you can grab as much as you want, as long as you grab the portion of the image that you want the color code of. So I'm going to grab my whole channel and I'm going to save it. So I'm going to make sure it's saved either as a PNG or as a .jpeg, .jpg. Those two are fine. Don't really mess with anything else for this method. So just do .pngs or .jpegs. The snip tool will always do .png by default, so don't worry about it too much. Click save. Now let's go to that folder real quick and right click on the image and do open with paint. So now we got paint, right? And we wanted to grab the blue of this screen here. Great thing about paint is it's got the color picker, and you can just pick, and you can also zoom in. You can click on the bottom portion right here to zoom in, or you can do control and scroll in to zoom in. So now we got this image nice and big and blown up here, and we can just grab it, and you'll see right here the color has changed to exactly what it is in this screen here. So if I draw, you won't even see anything because I have the exact color. And to grab the information, click on edit colors, and here's the hex code and here's the RGB code. So 103 red, 153 green, 211 blue. So it'd be RGB bracket 103, 153, 211. And then yeah, that's your hex code as well. So that's it, guys. If you're a developer and you don't like installing software on your computer or downloading random things, extensions you don't need or that you'll rarely use, yeah, there you go. You can do this. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe and leave any questions you got in the comments. I'll reply to them. Thanks for watching, guys.